Hare Krishna, Mukunda Maharaj. Please accept my most humble obeisances, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Well, I hear you're turning 80. Gosh, that's a real milestone, isn't it? So many years dedicated in Srila Prabhupada's service. It's just amazing. I read your book, Miracle on Second Avenue. Read the whole thing. It was really nice and helped me to understand Srila Prabhupada better, and certainly to understand you better and things that happened in those early days. But my main memories of you come from 1974. You were temple president in Bhaktivedanta Manor for some time. I forget how long, but I came there in January, I think early January, from Berry Place. I had been in Berry Place in central London. I'd been doing book distribution, and I came out to Bhaktivedanta Manor to become the treasurer, and you were the president. So I got a lot of your association for those months. It was some number of months in early 74 and up to into the middle of 74, something like that. And I really felt myself fortunate to get your association there, and your very gentle and gentlemanly nature, very humble nature, very sincere nature in Srila Prabhupada's service. There were a number of incidents. The one that comes to me the most is when I received second initiation sometime in 74, probably more like the middle of 74, something like that. I received second initiation from Srila Prabhupada personally, and the fire sacrifice was one day, and then the next morning, early morning, those who had received second initiation, we had to come in and get the mantras from Srila Prabhupada. And I was the first one to go in, and Srila Prabhupada looked at me. I already had the Brahman thread on, and Prabhupada looked at me and said, "Why have you got your Brahman thread on?" And I didn't know why. Rabatanandan had put it on. So I just sort of became stunned. And then so I said, Rabatanandan put it on, Rabatanandan Swami put it on. And Prabhupada asked me, "Why did he put it on you?" Oh, and I had no idea. It just happened. I just assumed it was part of the process. So then Prabhupada called for you. And of course, because Prabhupada was there in Bhaktivedanta Manor, there were many devotees from all over Europe. And you were the temple president. You were a busy devotee running around and seeing that everything gets done. And but Prabhupada called you in and asked you, "Why has this boy got his Brahman thread on already? I wanted to put it on myself. Why?" And you were not able to really give an answer. I mean, how could you know even? But Srila Prabhupada expected you to know. And Prabhupada then said that you're the temple president. You must know these things. But I really appreciated the way you responded. You didn't argue with Prabhupada. You were very humble. You accepted what he said. And it was very instructive, actually, about the duties of a temple president right in front of my eyes. But there were so many things. And I really felt fortunate to get a lot of your association basically every day for those months. So now you're 80. I'm praying to Lord Krishna that you'll be with us for many more years. You're a real Prabhupada man. And you're one of the originals who is actually stuck with Prabhupada, really stuck to Srila Prabhupada. And it's just such an important thing for us to get your association. So, Hare Krishna, happy Vyasa Puja, happy birthday. Hope to see you again before too long. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.